Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So here's a question we get a lot. Here's a question you see a lot on Facebook and social media. Folks are bidding on jobs and they'd like to know, how do I figure out what the cleaning time should be, the hours should be for this office cleaning job, for this janitorial bid? How do I get those cleaning hours figured out? It's a very good question. And the reason why is because that's the biggest part of expense for most cleaning jobs, right? If we can figure out the hours, we can figure out we know wages and we'll know labor, then we can figure out, what to charge. So it's a big thing. But it's not that easy to find, and very often you'll see folks just guessing at prices. They won't even talk about the cleaning time. They'll just give a price for the job. But if the office cleaning job, you're trying to figure out the cleaning hours, sometimes you'll hear folks that are a little bit more experienced say, well, I've learned to kind of guesstimate. And I get that. I understand that through experience over the years, you might get to know how long it would take to clean this office and that office, and you take some time to really go through. Years ago, my business partner Tony and I, we did it that way too. The problem with it, of course, is when you want to scale and get bigger, a lot of your new salespeople, they may not know all those years of experience, so it's not scalable, just that you've figured out a little bit how to figure out times. That's why software can be so helpful. Now, we have a software, CleanGuru, that we think is terrific for figuring out based on the tasks that are given in any area, whether it's a hard floor, carpeting, how many fixtures are in a bathroom and lunchroom. And it takes all of the tasks and it figures out based on production rates or task or item count, how long it should take, a calculated time to clean. Whether you use our program, another software, or you learn how to calculate it by guesstimating, if you're staying small, all of those ways can work. Some are better than others, right? So no matter which method you go with, though, it is a big topic and an important topic. So get a hold of some method, hopefully something you can scale with, so that you can figure out time as part of the determining the price for the job. And that's the biggest thing, because big, large jobs are sometimes bid based on price per square foot, but those are based by large cleaning companies. Most cleaning companies are bidding on jobs where you want to figure out hours. You want an hour's estimate of cleaning time. And from that foundation, you can figure out a calculated price that may be good for you. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.